Hey guys, do a lip combo with me. Today bengenza lip combo color maroon and black using maroon matte lipstick and black eyeliner. Actually it's a lip liner, but you can also use it in your eyeliner because names are the same. So I think I apply a lipstick maroon, and then afterwards I highlight on the lip line on my upper parts and my lips now, so that ngizoyenza shape yama lips sami ukuthi aqala kuphi. I didn't notice that go to genza a lip line, but now I'm in love and obsessed. So that kusazoba namanye amavideo more where I will be doing a lip line and after applying a lipstick, since I'm obsessed with my lipstick now. I can't wait to go to shop my lipstick as much as I can. Amaningi futhi noma ngiyawathanda. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.